Hi there, I'm Bobby, a certified ALT and TEFL tutor from South Africa. I've been helping students improve their English and achieve ALT success for over 4 years. In my lessons, I focus on making learning enjoyable, practical and effective. Whether you want to feel more confident in conversations, sharpen your grammar and vocabulary, or aim for a band 7 plus in ALT, I'll guide you step by step with strategies that really work. My approach is simple. I personalize every lesson to fit your needs. For ALTs, I'll show you how to master all four skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking, using proven techniques and practice exercises. For general English, we'll work together to build fluency, accuracy, and confidence so you can express yourself naturally. Many of my students have already achieved ALT's goal success, reaching band 7.5 and above. With the right techniques and consistent practice, you can too. So if you're ready to unlock your full potential in English, book a trial lesson with me today and let's get started on your journey to success. I look forward to meeting you in class.